Hey, Matt here with 911R Avant-Garde here on Bring a Trailer. We have the Stroppe Bronco, and I want to kind of walk around and talk about but main thing I really want to say is that the restoration on this thing is extremely high quality. The paint, the underside, the engine, transmission, everything's been done on this thing. It is as nice of a Bronco as I've seen. We get a lot of Broncos, mainly customized, modified ones, but really Bronco like this, I think, is just the epitome of it. The Bill Stroppe, these were built as a commemorance to the 500 and 1,000 Baja wins they did. They were special built by that dealer and done all in these same colors: the red, the white, the black, and the blue. They have the quad shocks front and rear on them, which is really cool. They have a special front Nerf bar and bumper that was on these. I guess you could tell when you pull off the bolts, it was a square punch on the bumper that made it kind of unique, along with the quad shock stuff underneath. We'll open up under the hood. You can see the engine bay is meticulously detailed and exactly pretty much how it would have looked coming from the factory. We got the toolkit and roll, the correct carburetor, the correct engine, correct all the little stampings and stuff, hoses, hose clamps, just all the nice stuff that you would see on a restored Bronco like this. Again, we get a lot of Broncos, and most of them really are just kind of lipstick, but you can tell this one was really torn down to the bare bones and redone. Got the correct US mag style wheels on it, the hubs. Going on to the interior, you got the automatic transmission, the parchment interior headliner, the Stroppe roll bar. I hope I am saying Stroppe right, so somebody can correct me. The large wrap steering wheel, but all the bits on this thing are just meticulously detailed on it. I can't find any flaws on the vehicle in the paint or dents or chips. All the edges all look really good. The roof, everything works on it. This restoration would just cost a ton to get it right. Plus, find one of these original Baja Broncos. This was an individual order, and there's letters in there about the restoration about it, making its authenticity. But this is something that'd be really cool to have if you had one of the new ones in your garage or whatever. But pretty cool, rare opportunity. I was really excited to get this one in. If you have any questions, use the contact seller button, or if you would like to have us sell something for you on Bring a Trailer, we'd be happy to talk about it. Thank you very much.